Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace an electronic control board located on the back of the refrigerator. If the electronic control board fails, the refrigerator can't cool correctly. Another symptom of a failed control board is that fans, lights, or other components aren't working. Replace the electronic control board if it's not controlling refrigerator functions properly. Disconnect power to the refrigerator. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the control board cover. Support the cover as you remove the last screw so it doesn't fall. Remove the cover. Take a digital picture of the wires attached to the control board for reference and then detach all wires. Release the control board locking tabs and remove the control board. Insert the new electronic control board and engage the locking tabs to hold the control board in place. Referring to your digital photo, connect the wires to the new control board. Position the cover over the control board compartment and line up the screw holes. Insert the screws and tighten them firmly. Restore electrical power. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.